Hello, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time. If you're returning, welcome back. It's time for our weekly check-in addressing our three biggest deficiencies in trading. Mine being fear, greed, and impatience. For the most part, this week I was solid on my three. I was cool. I want to talk about Friday though, because Friday tested me in ways that I didn't know I would be or could be tested as a day trader. So it's in my shorts. So if you look at my shorts videos, you'll see my 10-10 QQQ trade. Potentially I lost 4 grand. Not lost, but I didn't make 4 grand. So I was struggling with that. I was in shorts. I was waiting for price to drop, but we was doing like the chop thing. So what I think is me being the responsible, disciplined trader, get out that position, wait for the market to stabilize, make up its mind, and if we're going down, then I get in puts, like just get in, like reposition myself. 11 o'clock come, we get that good old presidential price action. The presidential price action is there's nothing like it in the stock market. It'll boom or it'll crash it. So I get out of my positions at 10:48. I sell my shorts. About 4 609 put contracts, 0 day expiration. About 4 of them. It was chopping, so I sold. 11 o'clock come. 12 minutes was the difference. 12 minutes was the difference between having like a really, really, really great day and just a throwaway day. Like our Friday, like, okay, price action is weird. Like it ain't going today. That 11 o'clock candle hit and the presidential price action kicked in, dropped. I'm like, damn, missed it. Went back, checked the same contracts that I sold. Them shits was worth $1,000 a pop. Times four, I would have made 4 grand yesterday. I missed that. But I feel like I was disciplined. I was disciplined. I hit my stop loss. I wasn't trying to wait to see whether I was right or wrong. So at the time, though, couldn't really tell me nothing. I was inconsolable. To potentially miss out on that much money, it's just like, damn, that would have been crazy. All I had to do was hold. On the other hand, you look at it with perspective. It's like you could be in three places when that presidential price action kicks in. You could be on the right side of it. You want to have one of the best days you've ever had. You could be on the sideline, cash position, not in longs or shorts, calls or puts, or you could be on the wrong side of presidential price action, which looking through a lot of the traders and creators that I follow, as far as trading wise, a lot of them was on the wrong side of that presidential price action. And they lost a good little chunk of change. I mean, tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, like wiped out just off a True Social post, off some presidential price action. You on the wrong side, you could get liquidated. You could lose a whole lot of money. So keep in perspective, I was happy and appreciative that I was on the sideline because it could have been worse. I could have been in calls looking for the stock market to go up and to get wiped out, and whatever I put in I got clipped for. And this video would have took a lot longer to make, and I would have been really, really, really upset. But thankfully, that didn't happen. So yeah, keep in perspective. I wasn't greedy. I wasn't impatient. I wasn't mistrusting or fearful. It was just like I'm staying disciplined. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, I kept my word. I stuck to my discipline. My trades did what my trades did. I was green for the week until Friday came, and I was like on the sideline. That's gonna happen sometimes. The way the market is now, the way the news cycle is now, every now and then you're gonna get some presidential price action. You can't be mad at it. It's like look at it like a storm, if you will. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes is a flash flood. Sometimes it happens. It happens. It's the pattern. Something's gonna happen. Uh, a post is gonna get sent out, and the market's gonna react to the news. That's something we got to deal with. Something we got to adjust with. But what I what I'm appreciative is that through me making this content, I'm becoming a way better, way more disciplined day trader because it's not just me doing it. Because before it'd be like, I make a lot of money, keep it to myself, or I make a mistake, I'm prideful, I'm arrogant, I'm mistrusting, I'm falling victim to one of my three biggest deficiencies, nobody's gonna know. Like, I don't make no content. Nobody's gonna know about it. But through me doing this is keeping me accountable. It's become it's become like a secondary journal, a video journal, if you will. I check in with the channel, I check in with the community. I'm holding myself accountable in front of you. I want you guys to hold yourselves accountable. I want everybody in the community to hold each other accountable and be honest. Like, if you had a good week, you had a good week. If you didn't, you didn't. The only way we're going to grow, the only way we're going to elevate our game is through honesty and transparency. Because when we put our phones down or we stop recording or whatever, we know the truth. We know whether we held up our end of the deal for us or we didn't. So I'm appreciative of this. I feel like this is becoming more of a practice than something that like I gotta keep conscious of as I'm trading. It's like I don't feel that way anymore. It's more like this is how I trade. This is what I do. I'm going to get back to the channel. I'm going to get back to the community. I want to be able to say I did X, Y, Z. I held myself accountable. I stayed disciplined, and I want the numbers to start showing. I'm going to be on the right side of a really good move. It could be presidential price action. It could be just me having just a good day. The numbers will reflect. And the discipline is what I have to attribute to that. Is because I stay disciplined. Is because I'm locked in. I'm gonna look for new ways to improve my game because it's all about elevation. It's all about growth. So that's my week in review for the stock market for day trading. I want you guys to get in the comments. I want you to talk about how you adjust your three deficiencies, whether you went for three for three or you didn't go 3 for 3. How do you plan to do that? So like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.